This AI animal cooking video trend is taking over social media. TikTok creators are rapidly growing their audiences, with many reaching hundreds of thousands and even millions of views as these videos continue to gain popularity and engagement across the platform. What makes this even more exciting is that the niche is still wide open and full of potential. There's no better time than now to dive in and start creating your own viral hits. And here's even more good news. You can create these videos in just minutes using free plans from AI tools I'll reveal in this video. Plus, they're not just for TikTok. You can also share them on YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels, giving you even more opportunities to gain views and earn money across multiple platforms. The first step to making viral animal cooking videos is crafting the perfect image and video prompts. But let's be real. Thinking up the right prompts can feel like a full-time job. That's why I've prepared a prompt document, giving you a head start on this trend. You can tweak them to spark fresh, creative ideas of your own. You'll find the link to these prompts in the video description. So don't wait, unlock the potential of this unique niche today. Alright, let's get started. As the first step, we will create prompts for our visuals. To make this easier, I've prepared a ready-to-use prompt document for you. In this document, the sections highlighted in yellow are customizable. For example, you can modify these parts by selecting the animal type, the environment in which the scene takes place, and the dish the animal will be cooking. First, we specify detailed descriptions of the animal and its surroundings. The prompt will generate a series of steps, starting with ingredient preparation, followed by the cooking process, and ending with plating and the animal enjoying the meal. To ensure a smooth flow, detailed scenes, and a natural progression, I've also added a few notes for better coherence. Feel free to edit the highlighted sections to personalize the prompt as you wish. Let's go through an example. I'll take the prompt and paste it into Chatgpt. For this example, the animal will be a dog. The environment will be a forest. The dish will be grilled fish with salad. After generating the prompt, you'll see a general description of the scene, setting it in a forest as intended. The first scene depicts the preparation of ingredients. The next shows the fish being cooked, followed by salad preparation. The following scenes complete the remaining steps of the recipe, leading to plating and the dog enjoying the meal. As you can see, the prompt successfully generates a step-by-step visual guide of a dog cooking fish in a forest kitchen. Now, you can modify the initial sections, choosing your own animal, environment, and dish, to create personalized prompts tailored to your needs. Now that we know what we're going to create, it's time to bring it to life with visuals. For this, we'll use leonardoai. I'll be using a free plan so you can see exactly how to do this without a paid subscription. With the free plan, we get 150 credits per day, which allows for generating around 3 images. To create an image, we first navigate to the image generation section. The first important step is choosing the right format. By default, it's set to wide format, but we'll switch it to vertical format so that the images can be used for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. leonardoai offers different image generation models. For this example, I'll use the Flux model, which produces realistic visuals. You can experiment with other models to create different styles based on your needs. Next, I'll take the first scene from the prompt we generated earlier and paste it into the input field. The tool will show how many credits this action will consume. Now I'll generate the image, and you'll see that the first scene is ready. For this scene, leonardoai provides 4 different variations. You can download the one you like best. I'll choose one and save it to my computer. Now, the visual for the first scene is ready. There's one key point to keep in mind when generating the second scene. We want to maintain visual consistency by using the same dog and environment. To do this, we'll copy the seed code from the first scene and enable the fixed seed option in the settings. This ensures that the next image maintains the same look as the first. Let me demonstrate. I'll take the second scene's prompt, paste it in, and generate the next image. The first scene was about preparing ingredients, and now, in the second scene, we see the fish being cooked. The dog and environment remain consistent, just as planned. This method allows us to preserve visual continuity across all images. I'll continue generating the remaining scenes in the same way. Now, the salad preparation scene is ready. Just like before, I'll select the image I prefer, save it, and move on to the next. At this point, I've used up all my 150 daily credits, meaning I can't generate more images today. To continue, I can wait until the next day when my credits will reset to 150, or if I want to generate images faster, I can upgrade to a paid plan. The next step is to bring our generated images to life by turning them into videos. For this, we'll use leonardoai. This tool provides 100 free credits per day, allowing us to create around 3 videos. Credits reset daily for free plan users. To get started, we click on Try Now. I recommend selecting the newest model for the best results. Next, I'll take the image we generated earlier and its corresponding prompt. I'll paste the prompt into the designated input field and start the video creation process. Within a few minutes, the image will be animated and ready. Now, let's take a look at the final result. The video is smooth, visually appealing, and ready to use. I'll repeat this process for the remaining scenes to complete the video. Now that our scenes are ready, it's time to add music and sound effects. For music, we'll ask Chatgpt to generate a music prompt within the same chat. At first, it creates separate music prompts for each scene. Since I want one track for the entire video, I'll ask for a single unified music prompt instead. Once generated, the prompt is detailed and well-structured, making it perfect for music creation. Next, I'll take this prompt and go to Suno, an AI tool that generates music from text. Suno provides 50 free credits per day, allowing us to create up to 10 tracks. To generate music, I'll click on Create. And an important step here is to select the instrumental option for background music. Since the prompt is long, I'll paste only the summary into the input field and start the generation process. In a short time, Suno will generate 2 different tracks. I'll listen to both, choose my favorite, and download it to my computer. Now that we've chosen the music, it's time to add sound effects. For this, I'll go to Pixabay, a free resource where you can find various media files. I'll navigate to the sound effects section and search for kitchen to find relevant audio clips. As you can see, there are different kitchen sounds available. I'll select the ones I like and download them to my computer for use in the editing process. Now, it's time to bring everything together in a video editor. I'm using CapCut for this. As you can see, I've imported all the generated videos, sound effects, and background music into the project. I've arranged the clips in the correct order, adjusted the music volume, and placed the sound effects where needed. To ensure smooth transitions between scenes, I've added soft transitions. Since everything was prepared beforehand, the editing process was quick and efficient. After a final check, the video is ready to be exported. Let's see the final result. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment. It makes me happy and motivates me to create more content. Next, I recommend checking out this video on creating kids animation videos with AI.